welcome to Details Uncovered and welcome to our new Strasburg facility. So right now we're in the patio door section where our vinyl patio doors are manufactured, and we're here with Josiah.
Yep.
And he's going to explain to us how this whole process works and how our patio doors come together. So can you explain the first step in the process?
So I would say the first step in the process is getting the material set up, unloaded from the trucks, loaded into the racks where they can easily be accessed, and then it'll get cut down and then either processed in a couple of ways. One, it's going to get assembled, or it's going to be welded. The stuff that's welded will get the rebar put in there, and then once the rebar is put in, it can be welded, either fine line or the old style, and then it'll be clean, glass will be put in, and then it's ready to be put into frames or to be shipped, knocked down to the customer.
So you mentioned the fine line. I know that that's a relatively new thing for us and it's a really awesome feature. Can you explain that a little bit?
Yeah, usually when you have a weld, it'll bubble up on both sides. But with the fine line, it actually tucks that bubble inside so that it's a nice, smooth, flush, fine line that is so much more attractive and delicate, and just, it looks so much more appealing.
That makes sense. Okay. What part of this process do you do? What are you responsible for?
So I put the sashes in the frames and box up the finished patio doors.
And so normally though, you're the last step before that door gets shipped out and ready to go.
Correct.
Awesome. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk with us. It's exciting to be in this new building and see everything that's going on, and we appreciate learning a little bit more about this.
Of course, absolutely.